What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another bang. In today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how to get your hands on the Jordan 1 snakeskins dropping this upcoming Thursday, August 6th. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of the video. And guys, thank you for all the support you've been showing on the page. We just hit 291 subscribers. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do subscribe and hit the like button for more content like this. And make sure you leave in the comment section, do you think these shoes are gonna go up? Let me know in the comment section, you feel me? But yeah, guys, thank you for all the support. The goal for August is gonna be 400 subscribers. I know we can get that easy, you feel me? Let's get it. All right, guys, so these shoes are gonna be dropping on August 6th and retailing for $170 US. Now, guys, this shoe is gonna be a woman's exclusive, and I've heard it's supposed to be pretty limited. Stock is compared to like how limited the tie-dyes were, the Jordan 1 tie-dyes. And if you guys did try to go for those shoes and didn't cop, you can kind of expect it to be the same thing. I'm not saying you're not gonna cop, it's gonna be the same thing compared to stock numbers. And guys, also, since this is a woman's exclusive shoe, the bigger sizes are gonna be the best ones to go after for the most profit. But like I say, you do want to increase your chances, so you do want to go for the smaller sizes. So if you guys do want to cop the most pairs possible, make sure you guys do go for the smaller sizes, maybe the 5s to the 8s, you feel me? Because once you get 9 and up, those are going to be the most sought after pairs because they do correlate with men's sizes the best. So for example, if you are going for your size, you do have to size down 1.5 sizes. So I wear a 10.5, my size would be a 12 in women's. 12 minus 1.5 is 10.5. So make sure you guys do calculate that. Make sure you guys do calculate your size before you do go for a pair of these shoes for personals. And also, guys, since this is a woman's exclusive shoe, it is going to be more stock in the smaller sizes. That's why I say go for the smaller sizes to increase your chances, because they do make more pairs of the smaller sizes compared to the bigger sizes, because they know what women are going to want. They're going to want smaller sizes because, you know, women got small feet, you feel me? They don't got big feet unless you like I'll pull up a picture. But yeah, man, if you're not like her, you feel me, you're gonna be going for the smaller sizes, you feel me? So make sure you guys do go for the smaller sizes to increase your chances with copping. But like I said, if you gotta buy it, go for the big sizes. All right, guys, let's get into how to cop these sneakers. Now, your best chance, like I always say, is gonna be sneakers. Make sure you guys do have the sneakers app. Now, this release is gonna be a first come, first serve Leo drop. You feel me? So yeah, make sure you fast, you feel me, with getting these shoes, because these boys are gonna be selling out quick. I'm already knowing, you know what I'm saying? The design is so appealing, and since it's a Jordan 1, of course it's gonna be hyped up. So make sure you guys do be fast when trying to cop these shoes, since it is gonna be a first come, first serve release. Now, your second best chance when getting these shoes is gonna be foot sites. So your Foot Locker, your Champs, your East Bays, your Hibbits, you know what I'm saying? Them sites like that. Now, those are gonna release at the same time as sneakers, 10 a.m. Eastern time, or at least they should. Some stores might release differently, but they should all release at the same time. So make sure you guys are, like, you know what I'm saying, multitasking, entering here, and make sure you guys do not get in the waiting room for the foot sites at the time of release. Get in a little early, because if you get in right at the time, it's gonna glitch out, bro. I'm telling you, it happens every single time. If you get in at the time of release, you are gonna get kicked out. And make sure you guys are patient when going on the foot sites, because they are really laggy and really glitchy, you feel me? And you are bound to get kicked out. It's probably gonna say, like, you know what I'm saying, you're up next or some bull crap like that, you feel me? That's why I don't really mess with foot sites, because they be getting on my nerves, but I be wanting to hit my screen. But hey, man, you just gotta be patient. Keep hitting that add to cart button, just keep hitting it. You might have to do it for like 30 minutes straight, an hour straight, you know what I'm saying, depending on how hard it's gonna be. But just keep hitting it until you get it in your cart. Now, guys, we're on to the resale predictions. Now, in my last video, if you didn't check it out, it should be right here, you feel me? Make sure you click one of them. Go watch the last video for all the resale predictions in August. But in my resale predictions, I did say these should go for 260 to 400 depending on how long you hold. Now, in my opinion, when these first drop, it's gonna be a fat decline in the market, you feel me? These will probably end up going for 250 to 300 when they first end up dropping. Now, if you guys do look at the graph on StockX, you can notice a little downtrend, because they have been going down, and you know what I'm saying, it's normal for all releases when they're about to release. But make sure you guys do watch the market. If you do want to invest in these, make sure you guys do watch it. Make sure the market is settled before you do cop a pair. Make sure it's not, you know what I'm saying, like continuing to go down, because you're gonna take a fat L, you feel me? But in my opinion, when these dudes take the first fat dip, make sure you guys do stock up on pairs, because this happens every time with Jordan 1s. Now, there has been a lot of people saying they see these performing like the satin black toes, and if you know those, it was going for like 700-800. and then it just drops to like 400. Just, you know what I'm saying, like out of nowhere. It was crazy, bro. People saying these are gonna perform like that, but you know what I'm saying, in my opinion, I think this is gonna go up. They do have a nice look. It's a Jordan 1, you feel me? So even if it do go down, it's still gonna go for some money, you know what I mean? So make sure you guys do stock up on these when the first initial dip does happen, and you should be good. And guys, make sure you do hold your pairs for at least a month to 3 months, depending on how much profit you want. You will start seeing a little bit gradually over time. I would say a month to 3, maybe not even a month, maybe like 2 to 4 months out. If you do hold them for that long, you should see them rise up a little bit, but I do recommend holding for 6 months to get a good amount of profit out of it. And for the bigger sizes after the dip, I do see these going for 270 to 300. But like I said, the longer you hold, the more you're gonna get out of these shoes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you guys do hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section saying if you're gonna cop. Also, if you're not subscribed, you feel me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're trying to hit 400 in August. I know we can do it, you feel me? Anyways, been your boy